Hello and welcome to Proxmox Tutorials. I will demonstrate the installation of a new Windows 7 virtual machine using Virtio and Spice. At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to use great Spice features like resizing or full screen view. For demonstration, I use one of our 3-node clusters. Okay, let's start. To begin, click on Create VM to start the Create wizard. Then select the node and confirm the VM ID. Give the new virtual machine a name, Windows 7-Spice for example. Click Next. In the next step, select the OS type Windows 7. Click Next. Choose the Windows installation ISO image. Click Next. On the Hard Disk tab, select Virtio for the bus type and the Cefrados block device storage for the virtual disk. Do not forget to set the cache to write back. Click Next. Now I specify the CPU. I choose 1 sockets and 6 cores. Leave the CPU type on default. Click Next. I want to use 2 GB of memory, so I set 2040 MB here. Click Next. For the network, I just use the default settings and the Virtio network card. Click Next. In the last step, you can see a short summary of the configuration you made. Do review what you have selected and then create the VM by clicking on the Finish button. On the task log, you see the successful creation. Just double-click here to see the full log. Navigate to the new VM. Click it, and go to the Hardware tab. Double-click the display settings and select Spice as your graphic card. As we need the Virtio drivers, I add a second CD-ROM with the Virtio driver ISO image. Alright, everything's done. Now, let's start the installation. Click on Start, and then open the console. As we specified Spice graphic card, Spice is the default console for this VM. Just to note, you need to install the Virt Viewer on your desktop to get this working. Now just follow all the Windows installation questions. Choose Custom Installation, and load all the Virtio drivers from the Virtio driver disk. Wait until the installation is finished. I will skip this part here, and we continue with the installation of the Spice driver package inside the freshly installed Windows 7. Back again. In Windows, go to the Spice website at www.spice-space.org and start the download of the guest driver package. Choose the Windows Guest Tools, and then just follow the installation wizard. To get all the Spice drivers and services activated, you need to reboot Windows. That's it. Now you can use the great Spice features like resizing or full screen view. Pretty cool, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our Proxmox VE channel.